Right now, we're approaching the slip road to join the M8 motorway. This road sign is your first warning that motorway driving is about to begin. As we move onto the slip road, the speed limit here is 50 miles per hour. This does not mean you must drive exactly at 50, but it tells you the maximum allowed speed on this part of the road. Use this speed to build momentum, not to rush. The goal is to match the speed of motorway traffic safely before joining. Many learners drive too slowly on slip roads. This actually makes joining more dangerous. Although this slip road continues straight ahead, we want to join the motorway, so we must move right. If you stay in this lane, you'll miss the motorway and end up exiting instead. Planning ahead is key. The motorway traffic ahead looks heavy, so this is where patience and good observation matter. Keep your speed steady, leave a safe gap, and only merge when it's safe. Never force your way in. Because of the double solid lines, I can't change lanes yet, but I'm using my right indicator early to show my intention. Did you notice the vehicle in front of me indicating right, and the vehicle beside it indicating left? Neither of them has priority, so this situation depends on communication, awareness, and cooperation. I keep moving ahead while indicating right, checking my right mirror and shoulder to find a safe gap. I don't stop here, because stopping would disrupt traffic behind and make merging harder, so I merge smoothly when it's safe. The number 17 means junction 17, helping drivers know their location and plan exits in advance. This sign shows that the left slip road leads to A82 Dumbarton, while the middle and right lanes take you towards Stirling, Carlisle, and Edinburgh on the M8. You may notice vehicles passing on the left-hand side. Check the I button to learn the situations where passing on the left is allowed. The speed limit has now dropped to 40 miles per hour. This usually happens in areas like slip roads, merge zones, or roadworks to keep traffic safe. This section of the motorway often has heavy traffic, which means you'll frequently encounter stop-and-go or slow-moving conditions. In these situations, it's essential to stay patient, keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front, and adjust your speed smoothly. Sudden braking or weaving between lanes can be dangerous, so focus on anticipating traffic flow and maintaining control at all times. This sign tells us there's no hard shoulder for the next 400 yards. That means if your vehicle breaks down, there's no safe space to stop, so stay alert and avoid unnecessary lane changes. This sign warns that a slip road will join from the left in 200 yards. Several vehicles tend to join this busy stretch, so staying in the left lane would cause congestion. I'm changing to the right lane, following the MSM routine, checking mirrors, signaling, and maneuvering to stay safe and keep traffic flowing smoothly. Learner drivers, remember, on motorways, the left lane is for normal driving and the middle and right lanes are mainly for overtaking. If traffic is light, stay in the left lane. But in busy or congested areas, like near slip roads, it's often safer to use all available lanes wisely to keep traffic flowing smoothly. If you're a regular viewer, you may have seen my city driving videos. Learner drivers, motorway driving is quite different from city driving. On motorways, you drive at higher speeds, focus on lane discipline, and plan your moves well in advance, like lane changes and exits. In contrast, city driving involves slower speeds, more stops, traffic lights, pedestrians, and cyclists. On motorways, the key is smooth, steady, and predictable driving, while in the city you need constant alertness and quick reactions. Now I'm preparing to move back to the left lane, because staying in the right lane would block vehicles wanting to overtake. I wait for a safe gap and steer slightly since the speed is higher. Remember, staying in the middle or right lane without reason, when the left lane is free, counts as lane hogging, which I'll show you shortly. You can see the left lane is free, yet some vehicles are still driving in the middle lanes. This is called lane hogging and is illegal. It can block traffic or slow others down. Penalties include a £100 fine and 3 points on your license. For more details, check the I button to learn about driving offences, fines, and penalties in the UK. A vehicle is joining from the slip road, so I'm moving into the middle lane to let them merge safely. Always adjust your position and speed smoothly to help traffic flow and stay safe. Now I'm moving back to the left lane, as I need to take the upcoming exit. Always signal, check mirrors, and shoulder before changing lanes to exit safely. That's it for our motorway driving lesson. If you found this helpful, check out my roundabout driving video next. It's packed with tips to master lane choice, signaling, and safe navigation on roundabouts. Click the link on the screen and keep improving your driving skills.